Crazy Boop is back again. In this video, we're learning how to batch adjust cells to their perfect size in one click. Alright, no more talk, let's do this. Take this garbage spreadsheet as an example. The cells are all messed up, some to tall, some to narrow. Data is getting cut off left and right, and it's crooked and awkward, just like the wrinkles on my grandma's ass. Manually adjusting every single cell would take forever. I'm gonna show you a god-tier trick to fix this in 3 seconds. First, click that tiny gray triangle in the top left corner of the sheet. That selects every single cell in the entire table. Next, hover your mouse between any of the column headers. When the cursor turns into that black cross arrow, double-click. That's it. Every column will automatically resize itself to the perfect width, all at once. The same trick works for row heights too. Hover between any two row numbers, double-click. Boom! All rows are now perfectly sized. Look at this shit now. Every single piece of data is fully visible. The whole table looks clean, professional. Alright, that's it. See you next video.